Hey everyone, need to find your crypto address on Revolut? Let's go through it step by step. Start by opening the Revolut app on your phone and log into your account. Tap on the crypto tab at the bottom of the screen. This will show you all your crypto holdings. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to receive, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT. Once you have selected your crypto, tap on the review button. This will show your unique address for the specific crypto. Your crypto address will appear on the screen. Simply tap copy to copy the address to your clipboard. That's it. You have found your crypto address on Revolut and can now send funds to it.